This is Priyanka and I am here from the Chrysalis Modeling and Advertising Agency. We are out here in Besanagar. As you can see, this is Pongal and there is a huge crowd out here. We are gathering public opinion on modeling as a career for girls and for boys. So what do people think? What is their public opinion on it? So that's what we have come to gather up here. Let's go check out their opinion.
See, I feel like if someone wants to do modeling, I think they should do modeling. People would say something for everything, so you can't keep going on what people say, because they're going to comment something bad about everything you do. So might as well do what you want.
If the girl is strong enough to take care of herself, you should let her do whatever she wants. I'd do it, and I don't think my parents would oppose either, so I'll be fine.
I think those who are really interested into this career, they can go forward to it, because this is a really creative. Show your creativity through how you look and what you wear. It also shows your confidence in the way you are.
After all, it's your life, so why do you have to ask parents? I mean, you have to, but
modeling is should be treated as a career, just like any other career, right? So it is also done for the purpose of marketing a particular product. So just like any other marketing strategy, modeling is also can be treated as a career, a full-time professional career.
Like any other profession, modeling has to be accepted as a profession, and people have to look beyond the fact that it is just beautiful girls walking down the aisle. It's more about showing the independence that women need to have in this world.
If I had a daughter who would want to do modeling, I wouldn't stop her.
There is nothing. I have two daughters. I have a 15-year-old and a 12-year-old, and I have no say on what they choose in their career. It's their career, it's their life, they choose.
People have passion towards modeling. I know personally my friends are also into modeling and their passion, and I truly admire them.
It's not so bad career and all as people think.
But for boys, I don't think they can take it up as a full-time career. I have a lot of friends who do modeling, and they tell me that apparently girls get paid more than male models. So I don't think it makes much of a sense.
Not as a career, it is their own interest.
It's a very strong career. They're very popular, and I feel it's very nice to choose something with other than engineering or normal studies or something.
Personally, I wouldn't take it up, but I would definitely support anybody who wants to become a model. I will think about it, and definitely depends on the situation, but I wouldn't take it up as a career. It might probably be a one-time.
Been walking up to people, collecting their opinion on what do they think, what's their imagination about modeling, and what all they have, and we have got a lot of answers from a lot of people, and it shows that they are all positive about modeling as a career. Some say that okay, not as a full-time, maybe part-time. Some like why not, and some like yeah, why shouldn't I go ahead, give my daughter a chance to become a model. So there are lots of people with a lot of positive opinion about it. So again, we'll be back.